Hello everyone, Tech Review is back, and today's video is about network icon missing from your taskbar. So when you are using your Windows 11, Windows 10 or other Windows operating systems, your network icon may be missed from your taskbar due to different reason, and on this video we are going to see three solutions to solve this problem. So let's see the first solution. The first solution will be disabling and enabling your network adapter. So in order to do that, click on your search icon on the bottom, and after that type here on the search device manager. So here the device manager, then open the device manager, and under the device manager you will find network adapter. So click here the arrow and you will find different adapters. Select the adapter that relates with your computer. In my case it's Realtek GPU family controller, so I'm going to select this one and I'm going to disable device and select here yes, and after that I'm going to click here again and right click on it and select here enable device, and after that close your device manager and check whether the network icon is get back or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the second solution will be again go here on the desktop icon, right click on it and select here task manager. So if you find it like this, click here more detail, then after that scroll down and find for Windows Explorer on the bottom. Most of the time you'll find it Windows Explorer. Here we find the Windows Explorer, so right click on it and select restart. So your Windows File Explorer will restart, and this also helps the network icon missing problem. So if this solution cannot help you to solve your problem, then the third solution will be troubleshooting. So in order to troubleshoot, again click here the search icon and type settings. So here the settings, then open the settings, and after that scroll down and you will find troubleshoots and open the troubleshoot, and after that you will find other troubleshooter. Select on that and scroll down and you will find network adapter option, then select here run, and it starts detecting a problem. So wait patiently until it will finish detecting the problem related with your network icon missing. So here the troubleshooting cannot identify the problem in my case, but in your case it may give you some solution. So troubleshoot your network adapter and this will help you to fix the network icon missing on your computer. So these are the solutions to solve a problem related with your network icon missing. I hope this video helped you, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.